And I will say that your background has been changed.
Yeah, you remember?
Yeah, I
Actually,
know.
it's the same room. I just
You
matched
just,
it differently now.
okay, same
Yeah.
room. Hmm. Wow, nice.
Thank
That
you.
painting, I like this.
Oh, you see, you remember that painting, right?
Hmm. Yes, yes. I
It's
can.
no.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Yes, I am fine. I am fine. And you?
Good, thank you. It's been a long time.
Yes, yes. Actually, I had online examination, so that's why.
Oh, how did it go?
Yeah, everything went well.
Ah, that's good.
Thank you so much. And nice goggle,
Oh, thank you. You
nice
see, I got
class.
glasses. Yeah.
Okay,
It's just for reading and for the laptop. Yeah, for the eyes.
okay. It protects.
Protecting the eyes.
Yes, yes. I know, I know. From
Yeah.
blue lights, something like.
Yeah. Eyes from damaging.
Oh, yes, from damage. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And how is your family nowadays?
Well, they're good. South Africa, we have a lockdown.
Oh,
We're not allowed to go to many places. But yeah, the people I know, they're healthy, still living and living life, trying
oh.
to, cope with everything. But
Hmm.
yeah, it's good. What about
Yes.
your family?
Yeah, they are fine, fit and fine, and they have vaccinated.
Ooh, good.
Yes.
What kind of vaccine?
Covishield.
Oh, it's an India vaccine.
Hmm. In India,
Oh,
there
I
are
heard about it. I heard about it.
yes, there are three types of vaccine:
Oh,
Covaxin, Covishield, and Sputnik. I think.
okay. Oh, and only India produced it.
Hmm. In India, these three are being spreaded,
Oh,
and
okay.
yes.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
so I heard about that there are a lot of languages are spoken in the South
Yes.
Africa.
Yes.
So yeah,
We
so
have.
which language?
el-
Yeah, we are going.
Oh, sorry.
No, no,
In
no.
South
So,
Africa, we have 11 languages. Yeah. I
oh, 11.
think it's
Yeah,
official
so much,
11 languages. Yeah.
so much languages. So,
So many. Yeah. And, different cultures.
hmm.
Yeah.
And what do you speak except
Well,
English?
yeah. My first language, it's Afrikaans.
Okay.
And I know a few Xhosa and Sotho words. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's African
Hmm.
languages.
African
Yeah.
language. Okay.
Afrikaans, it's my first language. I'm raised with the language Afrikaans. English,
Hmm.
it's my second. Yeah.
Okay. So you learned English as a second language.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And I
So
think
can
it's
you
very
provide
useful.
your English learning journey? How do you start? How did you start?
Yeah. Well, I was lucky enough to have English in school from young age. So
Okay.
that helped. Um, but actually, a few months ago, one
Hmm.
year ago to be precise, I started teaching. And through teaching children and from another company, I started developing my accent and also my
Okay.
English. So I think when you really practice and do it every day, it becomes something,
Easier.
yeah, so natural.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And
That's why I share
yeah, yeah.
um some of my tips and tricks because I also been there. I understand why people go through what they go through because it's hard. It's hard
Yes.
knowing one language. You grow up with one language and
Hmm.
then you have to learn another one. Yeah, it's hard.
And so could you tell me that how do you grab the accent? How much time
Yeah.
did you take to grab the
Well,
accent properly?
I think it was about 7 months,
Hmm.
to be
Seven
honest.
months regular practice, right?
Yeah, I think I
Oh,
speak a lot of English in my day, like eight
oh,
hours straight. I
oh my
think
God.
while you do that, your
Hmm.
tongue, I think it's all about the tongue, to be honest with you.
Yes,
The
yes.
tongue learns the letters, and that's how you evolve your accent. That's what I realized. Because in South Africa, Afrikaans, we usually say the r, like r.
Uh, Suppose
And
card,
English,
how do you pronounce
the
card?
r,
No, no.
car.
Yes.
In my language, it will be car.
Oh,
But with the American accent, it's more smooth,
hmm.
car, right?
Card. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I see. Hmm.
So my
It
tip will be where people will actually learn the alphabet, starting with the alphabet.
okay
Um,
from the basic.
yeah, yeah.
Sure, sure. Yeah, one interesting question is waiting for you, as usual.
Yes.
So nice, so nice.
I'm
And suppose,
ready.
suppose if you could stop time, the galloping course of time, then what do you do first, or what
Okay,
happened?
so if I could reverse time
Um, no, you
or
could
stop
stop time.
time.
Yes, just stop.
Hmm. Well, actually, now we're in a big situation in South Africa where there are lots of violence and bad things happening. Um, if I could stop it now, I would really like to stop what's happening now because
Yes, yes.
it's destroying South Africa at the moment. Um, yeah, it's very sad. That's what I would do with my time now.
Okay, great, great answer, and it is very relatable now to these days in South
Yeah.
Africa.
Yeah.
And suppose if you get a lottery for of $1,000, what is the currency going on in South Africa? Dollar.
It's rand.
Okay, so
Yeah, rand.
1 rand, right?
Yeah.
So
Equals
equals to
mm,
how much? How many dollars?
14 rand. 14 rand
14.
is $1.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, rand.
It's a little low. Not
Hmm.
that good. Yeah.
Okay, okay. And if you get 1,000 rands, the thousand it's not good much, not so many money, right? So much
I can
money.
do things with that.
Ten
Yeah.
thousand, 10,000. Yeah,
Okay.
if you get 10,000 rands, then what will you do first? What do you want to buy first?
I will redecorate my room. Make it new.
Great,
New
great, great.
lights, new kind of color for the walls. Yeah.
Mm. And I will must say that by any chance your favorite color is purple or violet?
Purple or?
Violet, violet.
Hmm, I
By
would
any
say it's
chance?
one of the favorites.
Purple.
Dark maroon, red,
Can you type
dark
that?
red. Sorry.
Can you type that, please? The
Yes,
spelling.
maroon color.
Oh,
It's
maroon.
like a
Oh,
very
maroon.
dark red.
Oh, yeah, like brownish, like brown, not brown, but
Yeah, yeah,
red
yeah, yeah.
plus brown.
Yeah,
Okay,
correct. Yeah.
yeah.
What
Okay,
about
I
you?
see.
What's yours?
Yeah, I like royal blue.
Ooh, that's nice.
Royal blue, I like mostly.
Oh,
And
nice.
yeah, in car or in bike, I like black.
Oh yeah, nice, nice color.
And
Yeah.
can you drive any vehicle?
Yes, I have a car.
Oh, so
Um, but these days I don't drive a lot because we're in the house and yeah.
yes. Okay, okay. And
What about you?
I can't drive car, but I can ride scooty.
Oh, I can't do that. I don't know. I can't.
You know about scooty?
It's like a scooter.
Yeah, it's like a scooter, but modified scooter. You will
Really?
say.
How does it? Oh,
Yeah,
I
you
will
can
have a
start.
look.
Okay, just a minute. I will type it for you.
Okay. It's a very popular vehicle or
Yes,
motorcycle
it
to
is
drive.
too easy to ride.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, you can Google for it, and you will visualize a lot of scooties.
Yeah. Uh,
Is it
we call
popular
it the
in South
scooter.
Africa?
Well, um, not that much, but I
Hmm.
see people driving. Yeah.
Okay, okay. And
Oh, it's
what is it?
nice.
Yes, yes. It is really nice, and it is easy to ride, so people tend to choose it.
And I think also the fuel consumption, the fuel, it's not that expensive, right?
Yes, yes.
Ah, that's cool. Yeah, I don't know
And
how to drive it. I'm actually scared.
okay, okay, no problem.
Yeah.
You can drive a car, right? So you can easily
You think?
learn driving.
Okay.
Yes,
I'll try to learn.
sure, sure. And yeah, what is the time now?
It's now 12.
12
12 p.m.
p.m.
In the evening. It's lunchtime almost.
Yes, yes. In the
Yeah.
last time. Oh. And yo, I will say that your background has been changed.
Yeah, you remember?
Yeah, I
Actually,
remember.
it's the same room. I just
You
matched
just
it differently now.
okay, same
Yeah.
room. Hmm. Wow, nice. Those
Thank
that
you.
painting, I like this.
Oh, you see, you remember that painting, right?
Hmm. Yes, yes, I can remember.
It's a very traditional painting for me. I have to have it in the room.
Okay, great, great.
Yeah.
So nice. So nice.
Thank
And
you.
you really decorate your rooms in a really
Oh, thank
decorative
you.
way.
Thank you. I try. I don't always know what to do. So if you have advice for me, please give me.
No,
Yeah.
no, no. You are pro in this field, I will say. So
Oh,
nice, so
thank
nice.
you.
It looks really pretty,
Oh, thank you.
but not
That's
more than pink.
actually real roses. My
Oh,
friend, she gave it to me.
oh,
And now, yeah, it's,
yellow rose. Wow,
yeah,
nice.
yellow roses. It's dying now because it's old. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. And also, what is the lunch? What is the special in your lunch so that I will go
Okay.
to have it?
Sometimes we have some French fries
Uh,
or food that we ate like yesterday.
hmm,
We will the leftover. Sometimes we will make the leftover because we don't want to waste the food.
hmm. Exactly,
Or
exactly.
a sandwich.
Oh,
You also do that?
yeah, we also do
Oh,
that.
yeah.
It is a culture.
Yeah, we don't like
Do
to
not,
waste the food.
yeah, yes, exactly. We do not waste any food.
Yeah, that's good. They're good not
Yeah,
to waste. There are people that don't have, and
yeah,
I always feel like don't waste. Yeah,
exactly, exactly. We should not waste anything.
yeah,
Food, money,
yeah.
electricity, water,
True. Yeah. What's
and
the
it is,
special lunch in your country?
yeah, in my country today, fish curry,
What's that?
fish,
Fish? Oh, okay.
fish
Fish
curry.
curry?
Yes, yes,
Ooh,
fish
delicious.
curry. Yes, yes. And
Okay.
thank you for giving your time and having a great chat.
Oh, it was nice seeing you again. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and you too, you too. And so you are becoming so popular nowadays on YouTube.
Thank you. But I think you are also because you're a great YouTuber. Keep
Oh my
on
God.
going.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank
It
you.
is
See
really
you
nice to
soon.
talk. Okay, take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.